Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done a video on a Thursday in a while, but we're back on schedule like we never left. So this week's colour is yellow, and if this is your first time here, this is my colour series. The last colour I did was red, and now if you want to see how I do this look, including two others, then just continue watching. Look one. So the palettes I'm using are the Tammy X Revolution Tropical Paradise palette and a Tropical Carnival palette. The first shade I go into is JOUVERT, and I just blend that out in the crease before popping Rich Soil all over my lid. I then go back into JOUVERT, I don't know, and I just blend out Rich Soil before I just build up Rich Soil again on my other lid, and then I go back into JOUVERT again finally before I start using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is not going to be a look where I use lashes, so I'm just coating my lashes, and you see the difference it makes automatically. Is it just me you end up poking yourself in the eye when you do the mascara? I always do it. Next, I'm just going to go into Rich Soil and blend that out on my lower lash line. I'm trying to do a bit more wearable looks as well, so let me know what you think before I go back into my mascara just to do the bottom lash line. I don't really like doing this often, but when I do it do simple looks, I usually do it. I'm then gonna highlight with Pina Colada. I like Pina Colada. Something in the rain. Dun, dun, dun. I couldn't help it, I'm sorry. Not bad for eyeshadow. And then I go in with blush using Tropical and Coraline from the Tropical Paradise palette before I go in with the NYX Matte Setting Spray and just blend out my face. So there you go. That is look one. So look two. So I begin with Spice Island, and I just blend that all out in my transition area before I cut the crease, and then I soften out the edge before blending it out again with Spice Island. I then go in on the area that I cut my crease on and go into JOUVERT. And I just fill in all the gaps on my lid. Before I go back into the brush that I used Spice Island on and just blend out the edges and make sure everything is smooth. I then cut an eyeliner line with the cut crease canvas, and I'm topping that off with BACCHANAL. I wanted to do this look forever, and I actually did it. Yay! I didn't think I'd be able to do it with my small eyes, but I'm going to show you a trick I did once I finished filling it in. So now I just use my hooded area on my lid to mark out where I do the eyeliner, and then that's how I got the eyeliner look. I also did my cut crease just slightly bigger so that I had enough space to do the eyeliner, and I'm just fixing up the blend before I top up that area with BACCHANAL. I then highlight using Notting Hill. And then that's look 2. Okay, last but not least, look 3. So I go into Jab Jab just before I blend it out with Girlies, before finally going in with Pink Panther. I'm using Tammy's Tropical Carnival palette. I then go back into Girlies and blend between those 2 colours before going back into Pink Panther. I had cut the crease off camera, and I'm just softening out the edges before I go into Golden Sands from the Tropical Paradise palette and place that all over that area. After that, I go into the green, which is definitely in Tammy's Carnival palette, and blend out the edges of Golden Sands. I then go back in with the brush that I used for Girlies and blend out any harshness. I then went into with my blush brush and used Pink Panther and Maz as a blush before going into SOCA as a highlight. I've never used the coloured highlight before, and it's hard to blend out, but it's everything. Because I spent a while blending this out, I won't lie. Then spray my face and try not to sneeze, and I sneezed. And then line my waterline with Dark Room from Morphe. I then went in with PMS from Fenty Beauty on my lips. Before I went back into Girlies and just smoked it out on my bottom lash line. I know I said something about the black before when I'd used it, but you just have to fill your brush with it. It's a really good black. I'll take back what I said. And then I went into Moonlight from the Tropical Paradise palette as the inner corner highlight, and then that's look 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know down below which one is your favourite. I don't actually know this time. I think this one is. I didn't expect it to come out so nicely, and I wouldn't have put these colours together if I had just thought of it myself. And the lip, yeah, it's everything. Even the highlight, like, it was a bit tricky, but we got there. So come back next week to see what colour I will be doing, and I will see you next time. Bye!